Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
Here are some body action expression for kids. Enjoy it. Strum your fingers. Strum your fingers. Clip your hangnails. Clip your hangnails. File your nails. File your nails. Pick at your nails. Pick at your nails. Squeeze out toothpaste. Squeeze out toothpaste. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Slick back your hair. Slick back your hair. Rub your eyes. Rub your eyes. Rub your temples. Rub your temples. Wring your hands.
Woohoo!
Wring your hands.
Woohoo!
Lean forward. Lean forward. Lean back. Lean back. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Blink your eyes. Blink your eyes. Cup your ear. Cup your ear. Click your tongue. Click your tongue. Bite your lips.
Mwah.
Bite your lips.
Mwah.
Stretch your body. Stretch your body. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Stroke your chin. Stroke your chin. Scratch your head. Scratch your head. Punch your palm. Punch your palm. Bare your teeth. Bare your teeth. Soak your hair. Soak your hair. Pump up shampoo. Pump up shampoo. Rinse off shampoo. Rinse off shampoo. Dry your hairs. Dry your hairs. Put on your sunglasses. Put on your sunglasses. Take off your hat. Take off your hat. Pluck your eyebrows. Pluck your eyebrows. Blot your lipstick. Blot your lipstick. Clutch your head. Clutch your head. Spritz some perfume. Spritz some perfume. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Tug your earlobes. Tug your earlobes. Pick your ear wax. Pick your ear wax. Floss your teeth. Floss your teeth. Open your mouth wide. Open your mouth wide.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like,